Next stop on our Channel 3 Summer Escape special, a dinosaur destination.
Yeah, Nature's Art Village. It's perfect spot for families. Of course, the dinos, a splash pad, mini golf, so much more. It's got something for everyone. Take a look.
Welcome to Nature's Art Village, home of the Dinosaur Place. It's also home to Monty, which is life-sized T-Rex. He is very noticeable on Route 85.
It's also home to over 60 more of those dinos. You'll find them along a 1.5 mile nature trail, along with so many more family fun activities.
We have a splash pad, we have a maze, we have Melody Magic, which is Chimes that you hear it on, we have a train ride, we have pedal cars.
Let's check out Carnivore Cave. And the maze.
Best day ever!
And you can't forget the splash pad right next to the T-Rex Tower.
So the T-Rex Tower was added in 2016. They just added on the expansion this year. We added on a roof too, which is really nice, but it's a lot of fun. The kids love it. It's the biggest jungle gym I've ever seen.
Yeah.
We have a zip line in there, a few monkey bars that they just added, swings, and a little bouncy area for them to jump on.
You can see people making a whole day out of Dinosaur Place, packing a picnic, or stopping at the grill. There's so much to do at Nature's Art Village, regardless of the weather.
That's exactly what people do not understand. When you walk out of here, there's a shop right next door that has a gallery with real life fossils and dinosaur bones for sale. It's awesome for kids to see. It's like going to a museum. But we also have a museum, a genius museum, which takes you through the last couple hundred years of the Industrial Revolution, which is great indoor activity when it's raining. Also, we have Discovery Depot, where you can dig for gems in 4 different caves and mine for fool's gold. And that can be done in the wintertime.
The big dino on the way to the shore should be a destination for the whole family this summer.
Nature's Art Village is open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
And they have a great ice cream shop for a sweet treat. You can get more information at naturesartvillage.com.
Up next.